If you're an older worker, say over the age of 50, and dealing with health issues that make it difficult to keep up with your job, you might be wondering if Social Security Disability Insurance, or SSDI, could be a lifeline. My name is Kaitlin Wildoner, and I'm an attorney who helps disabled clients obtain their disability benefits as quickly as possible so they can focus on getting better. In today's video, I'm sharing a guide to SSDI for older workers to help streamline your claim for disability benefits. First, understand that I am not the one referring to individuals over age 50 as older, but the Social Security Administration does, and it's actually to your benefit. For older workers, especially over the ages of 50 or 55, the Social Security Administration uses medical vocational guidelines, or grid rules, that may make approval easier in certain cases. These rules acknowledge that older workers with physical or mental impairments, limited education, or no transferable skills like from manual labor to desk jobs face bigger barriers when trying to find and adjust to new work. The Social Security Administration evaluates disabilities under two possible avenues. Number one is meeting a specific listing for a condition, such as heart disease or severe depression. These must be backed by medical evidence like test results or doctor's notes, or you can show that your residual functional capacity, or your RFC, limits you to less than sedentary work. For older workers, the grid rules favor those over 50 or 55, especially those that have had physically demanding past jobs, as retraining is often harder. New in 2025, the Social Security Administration's online portal actually allows you to track the progress of your application. That can help you to notice when it's moving from one step to the next to make sure that the agency has everything that they need. Here's a 5-step plan to applying for disability benefits tailored to older workers with 2025 updates. Number 1, collect comprehensive medical evidence, including recent diagnoses, test results, and a doctor's letter that details your limitations. Step 2, use the Social Security Administration's online portal to start and submit your application. Step 3, document your work history, emphasizing the jobs that are physically or mentally demanding to help leverage those grid rules. Step 4, keep a contemporaneous symptom journal in which you describe how your condition affects daily tasks like walking or driving. This allows you to have a real-time record of your condition and limitations. Step 5, consider consulting with a disability attorney, especially through the appeals process, to ensure that your case maximizes the grid rules and the new digital tools. Thanks so much for watching. If you're disabled and unable to work, click the scheduling link below, or give us a call directly for a free consultation where we discuss your case and see what I can do to help you.